To all of our customers, thank you.
Thank you for 25 years.
The founder of the company, Harpal Singh, was one of my co-workers at DuPont, and he started this company.
We had Harpal, BB, and Ed Jr., and they had a small office over the Indian restaurant on Route 2. It was very primitive. There were 2 computers. Ed did all the work. He was a guy just out of college. And Harpal and I conceptualized while Ed did all the work.
And then after a couple of years, he realized he was going to need help if he was going to build the company up more. And so since I never turned down a job offer from Harpal, I decided to join Arkieva.
Harpal Singh, our CEO, back in the day had a very interesting way of doing interviews. He interviewed 2 of us at the same time.
I was applying for a software developer job, and he didn't ask me anything about my skill set at the time.
The thing that really stayed with me was the idea that no matter what I do, the credit has to always go to the customer, that we are really here to help the customer be successful. And those were things that appealed to my style, my thinking, and I thought, why not give it a try? And then 20 years later, here I am.
I was looking for a place where I could have an impact, where I could get in on the ground floor of something exciting.
And it kind of threw you right into the fire right away with our existing clients. It was a lot of fun, and we had to learn a lot very fast.
Initially, we were doing just demand management, and then we expanded to include optimization, production planning, scheduling, and that really matured us as a company, in my opinion.
The product is a lot more mature. The client base that we have much broader than it has been in the past. So the expectations are a lot higher.
There is a big pressure in the marketplace to move the planning to execution. And as we look at that, Arkieva has to address those challenges. Our software has to evolve. Our people have to evolve to be able to address those answers and those questions from the marketplace.
Organizations have come to realize that supply chain is the heartbeat of the organization. And as a result of that, we have to cater to people from all the way from the CEO down to the logistics planners who are loading shipments into the trucks.
So you have an incredible range of people using the product from this day and age. It's people who are just out of college to people who have been in the industry 40 years. And trying to help them get their job done is difficult, but it's one of the things that we look forward to.
Our development has to reflect what people prefer to use in order to do their job. And we're moving in that direction along with the rest of the market.
So after 25 years, I see Arkieva future as delivering more advanced software for supply chain planning, but also the expertise behind the software to help our clients.
Whether it's more scheduling, more rough cut capacity planning, more promotion management tools, better collaborative parts of the software.
People expect real-time information. That's probably the biggest driver.
In a complex geopolitical environment where you have tariffs and trade barriers, companies are increasingly looking to plan in a very strategic horizon. And also they are looking to see run what-if scenarios to compare the results of different options and see the impact on their bottom line.
After 25 years, I see Arkieva's future as an industry leader, not only with our consulting, but with our software, leading edge technology, tailoring things to your business.
And where that's beneficial for our customers is that as they grow and their processes change, our solution can adapt to their processes, which makes us typically a very long-term partner with a bunch of our clients.
They fall in love with the software and they want to use it for everything, and we need to be able to address those needs.
I have worked with a big company like IBM, and IBM develops software, so I know what IBM does. In terms of functionality, Arkieva's application seems to have more functionality, seems to have more intelligence than most softwares.
Over the last 18 years, I've sat next to people who I know have been dedicated to doing what's best for our clients.
Because we take the needs of the customers with the highest priority. We try to solve their problems as if they were our problems.
There are just so many fantastic things happening right now. The growth of the company is just remarkable, and it's just a wonderful thing to be a part of.
The leadership recognizes the importance of investing in people, technology, and process, and I personally believe that's the key to success.
Our customers should have a lot of confidence in our product, mostly because I've never really seen a challenge that we've come across from the development team that's not been solved.
We have some of the best minds in supply chain who have been doing this for a long time. I think we have very dedicated people who want their customers to succeed, and I think customers know that they can pick up the phone and we're going to answer.
That focus on our customers and making them successful is phenomenal. I don't see any dip in that. And as long as that focus is there, as long as our people are aware that we are in this business to make our customers successful, I feel that the future is great. There is absolutely no doubt in my mind that Arkieva is poised to go places, and we have the right people in place to make that happen.